chord word once again. We complete the minor chords today.
We're ready for that. Which chords are left?
Well, F minor and G minor, right?
Yes. And we can play both of them using the same, shall we say, chord shape of E minor, but using your ring and pinky fingers.
I like E minor. Nice guy. Even played with ring and pinky fingers.
Okay. Now slide both fingers one fret up and place your forefinger on the whole first fret. Place your middle finger on top of it to help.
I see, like we did in the bar practice.
Exactly. That's an F minor. Now, slide everything to the third fret.
This way.
Oh yes. Try playing them 4 times each in succession.
I see. It sounds almost like the sea or the wind. Very evocative.
And that's what music can do. Call up the sea and the wind together, even in the limited space of one's own room, if it's necessary.
Then let's call them again. Or go somewhere with them.
Good idea. Take us to wherever you want to go.